their decision to travel all the way from one city to another city is needed. Because this is the right time to gather momentum, to gather more energy, so that we can invite many, many people on this journey, the journey of spirituality. There is no other way to save the humanity except spirituality. This I have been telling for years together. No one is going to come to save this earth. It is we and we, collectively. In the beginning, a collectivity is needed because the individual persons are having certain hesitation, certain fear in the beginning to make the journey, to start the journey. Starting is very important. Terry and Jessica, they are all in this path for many, many years, as I understand. They are the one, they have to invite people. Come on, we are here. We experience something. We are still experiencing some more thing. Come on, come to that satsang, come to the retreat. Have the experience. It's not simply somebody is coming and teaching something or preaching something, no. It is something experiential. There is no need to have any superficial belief or anything. A complete experience. What is wrong in that? So I really personally also thank you very much. Of course, it's good for your personal growth also. Apart from that, it's going to help many, many people. It is such a motivation for all others who are from the nearby city, isn't it? They will definitely look at you. They have traveled so far. There must be something, a valuation. You are adding values by your travel. I know how much it is difficult to travel such a long on the road. I am already on the road. Yesterday, I was traveling almost 8 hours from Joplin to reach Springfield, Illinois. Most of the days we are on the road. You know, it's needed. And I have to thank a lot Wendy and your associates here. You have created very beautifully here. I am really proud of you. You have created these beautiful people around you. You know, you made an effort, you just shared some energy to invite them. No? Otherwise, how it is possible? Isn't it? Slowly we have to invite many, many people. No? We are seeing people are crying, people are weeping, they are in pain, they are in suffering. Just an invitation, come on, there is no need to suffer. Here is a solution. Here are wisdoms. Come and listen. Come and experience. That's all the invitation. We are not giving big promises. Let us not make any big promises. Simple truth. Don't suffer. We know that almost everybody is suffering except a few. Mental suffering, psychological suffering, and physical suffering also. Suffering from many ailments and illnesses and all these stuffs like this. You know, you are going to invite simply saying, here is a solution. That's it. Don't even putting big words like spirituality, this thing and that thing. These are all big words. Simple invitation, a fellow citizen invitation, inviting a friend to a place to spend some time, that's all. That will do.